Good afternoon, everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to attempt to distinguish different types of triangles. Now, before we do that, we have to understand what a triangle is. So, can either of you think of a real-world example of a triangle?
Slice of pizza.
Awesome, Summer. So, let's think about this slice of pizza. Nate, in an average slice of pizza, how many sides do we have?
3.
Perfect. So, this is true for all triangles. They always will have 3 sides. Now, what is also true is that they will always have 3 angles that always add up to 180 degrees. So, these are what make a triangle a triangle. 3 sides, 3 angles that add up to 180 degrees. This is true for all triangles, but we can further classify them into different categories. So, let's do that. The first type of triangle we're going to talk about is an equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. It's easy to remember because the beginning of the word, equi, is similar to equal. Now this symbol I'm using means that every side of the triangle is equal. What is also another piece that is equal are the angles. Every angle in this triangle is 60 degrees, and it adds up to 180 degrees. So keep in mind that all these triangles will follow the base rules of what a triangle is and have some unique features. So the next triangle is the isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal, and thus 2 angles are equal. So, again, I'm using this symbol that means that those 2 sides are equal. So, in our equilateral triangle, we have 3 sides that are the same. In our isosceles triangle, we have 2 sides that are the same. And in our final triangle, a scalene triangle, no sides are going to be the same. So, in this triangle, all 3 sides are different, and all 3 angles are different. So, this is how we classify triangles by length. So next, we're going to make 3 more different triangles and classify them by angle. So, our first type of triangle is a right triangle. And a right triangle features something very unique, a right angle. So, this symbol that I used means that the triangle has a 90-degree angle. Wherever you see this symbol, it means that the angle is 90 degrees. So, after this, the other 2 angles will be less than 90 degrees. Our next type of triangle is an acute triangle. In an acute triangle, every angle is less than 90 degrees. So, the equilateral triangle is an example of an acute triangle because each angle is 60 degrees and less than 90 degrees, which is less than 90 degrees. And our final triangle is an obtuse triangle. In an obtuse triangle, there is always one angle bigger than 90 degrees. So, I've come up with a little song to help us remember how to differentiate triangles based on length. So, do both of you know the Row Row Your Boat song? Awesome. So, the first line of our song is going to be 1, 2, 3 sides in every triangle, because this is true for all triangles. And our first line, our rhyme will be, equilateral means for you that all sides are the same. The second line will be, isosceles means for you that 2 sides are the same. And the final rhyme will be, scalene means for you that no sides are the same. Got it? So, let's try that on 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 sides in every triangle. Equilateral means for you that all sides are the same. 1, 2, 3 sides in every triangle. Isosceles means for you that two sides are the same. 1, 2, 3 sides in every triangle. Scalene means for you that no sides are the same. Awesome. Great work, guys.